Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply this new AI movement to your videos on CapCut PC Pro. This is a Pro feature, just saying. So you're going to just simply select your video. I'm just trying to mute that. And then you're going to scroll down in basic and you're going to find AI movement. There is dynamic, zoom, shake, or soft. I am going to select the zoom one because it's only like half of her body, but you can like use it if it's like a full body video shot, but I'm just going to do that. You can also scale it if you want it to be super zoomed in or not. I'm just going to put it in the middle just to show you guys what it looks like. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!